Welcome to Car Show 1, where legendary cars get the spotlight they deserve. Today, we're throwing it back to one of the most beloved classics in American automotive history, the 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. This isn't just a vintage car, it's a cultural icon, a street legend, and one of the most recognized names to ever roll out of Detroit. By 1964, the Chevrolet Impala had already made a name for itself as Chevy's flagship full-size car, big, bold, and beautifully built. But the Super Sport, or SS, version took things to a whole new level. It added muscle, style, and performance to an already successful platform, creating a car that appealed to both the muscle car crowd and the lowrider scene for generations to come. Let's start with the exterior design. The 1964 Impala SS featured a crisp, clean body with straight-edged lines, a wide stance, and signature styling cues that made it instantly recognizable. The triple taillights on each side became a trademark of the Impala, and in 1964, they were set within a wide chrome rear panel that looked sharp and futuristic for the time. The grille was wide and horizontal, giving the car a low, aggressive look, and SS badging was proudly placed on the fenders, trunk lid, and dashboard. Chrome trim lined the windows and body edges, and buyers could choose from a wide range of bold, classic paint colors. Whether in hardtop or convertible form, the '64 Impala SS had serious street presence. Inside, the Impala SS was just as impressive. The cabin featured bucket seats up front with a center console, a sporty SS exclusive steering wheel, and brightwork that gave it an upscale vibe. The instrument panel had a sleek, aircraft-inspired design, with optional tachometer and full instrumentation. It was a full-size car, but with a driver-focused interior that felt special. Now, let's talk performance, because the SS wasn't just about looks. It was about what you could order under the hood. The base engine was a 283 cubic inch V8, but most buyers stepped up to the 327 or even the legendary 409 cubic inch V8, the same one the Beach Boys sang about. The 409 was a true powerhouse, delivering up to 425 horsepower when equipped with dual 4-barrel carburetors. That kind of power in a big car was serious business in 1964. You could get your Impala SS with a 4-speed manual transmission, a 3-speed, or a 2-speed Powerglide automatic. With the 409 and 4-speed, the Impala SS could run the quarter-mile in the low 14s, not bad at all for a big, stylish cruiser. But here's the thing, the 1964 Impala SS wasn't just about drag racing. It was a versatile car. It could cruise down Main Street, carry a family in comfort, or become the perfect platform for a custom build. That's why it became so popular in the lowrider community, especially among car clubs in Los Angeles and beyond. Hydraulic suspensions, custom paint jobs, chrome wire wheels, and murals, the Impala SS became more than a car. It became a canvas for self-expression. It represented pride, culture, and style. Even today, you'll find '64 Impalas in shows, music videos, and films, still rolling proud, still commanding respect. So who is the 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS for? It's for the collector who appreciates vintage GM muscle and clean design. It's for the builder who sees endless possibilities in that big, bold frame. And it's for the car lover who knows that some legends never fade, they just cruise slower so you can admire them longer. Thanks for watching Car Show 1. Drop a comment and tell us, would you keep your '64 SS all original, or go full lowrider? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore more timeless machines that still rule the roads.